This is the or sound, as in the words or, all, and your. It's a vowel sound, and its technical name is the open mid-back rounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. In this case, your tongue is low and at the back of your mouth. Rounded refers to your lips because they're pushed together like you're going to kiss someone. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you need to vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's similar to the O sound, but the two little dots mean that it's a longer sound. Or, not O. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and at the back of your mouth. Then slightly push your lips together whilst making a long voiced sound. Or, or, or. This sound is often spelled with the letters OR, as in the words for and more. But it can also be spelled with the letter A, as in the words also and talk. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but you just have to learn it. Here are some of the words that start with the or sound. Almost, although, already, and organisation. Here are some words that have the or sound in the middle. Cool, water, important, and small. And here are some words with the or sound at the end. Door, shore, war, and for. So that's it for the or sound, but we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and an explanation of how to pronounce that sound. We regularly post new videos, so if you like this video and want to continue improving your English, please click here to subscribe to our channel. At the English Club, we also offer live English classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. Visit our website to make a booking with me or one of our other teachers. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.